Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you can be the first one to know when I post a new video. Today I have for you an unbox video and we will be unboxing a smokeless indoor electric grill by Chefman. I should mention I am not sponsored by this company. I have a pressure cooker by Chefman and I absolutely love it. So I decided to purchase the grill also. I will link the video where I unbox the pressure cooker in the description box for you. And now let's get into the unbox. And here it is. The grill came all put together and very well packed. So I'm just going to remove everything and show you what comes with. And here you can see the instruction guidebook. They also provide you with a cooking in the zone card, and this card will pretty much show you which temperature to use for anything you're cooking. So I remove the plastic, and as you can see, the grill is very nice. It comes apart, and here's the heating bar. But the top part is very nice. I love the coating. It's almost a gray color. Now I'm going to remove this cardboard out of here. Here's the cord. I'm removing the little tag that comes in the cord. And here I'm showing you me removing the tray. And it comes with a little handle for you. Now I'm putting the grill back together with no packaging whatsoever. And here is the temperature gauge, and you have a low, medium, and high setting. Now I went ahead, I read the instructions, and I cleaned the grill before my first use with just a damp cloth, dish soap, and some warm water. Now let's cook something and see it's really smokeless or not. Now, per the instructions, it tells you to, every time you're going to use this grill, to fill your water tray and let it heat up for about 10 minutes before you cook anything in it. So here is, I add the water and I'm putting my temperature up, and I'm going to let this heat up for about 10 minutes. And here's the water. And this grill does say on instructions to not ever use this grill without the water tray. And here I was trying to show you guys that it does come out a little smoke the first time you use, and they said that that's absolutely normal. After 10 minutes, there was no more smoke, and I start cooking my burgers. The reason we decide to buy this indoor grill is just for those days that it's raining and you don't want to be outside grilling. So we thought, hey, let's buy this, let's see how it goes. And as you can see, there's absolutely no smoke. I didn't even put on my oven fan, and I'm adding some bacon here and see maybe the bacon would create some smoke, but we sure see. And that will be a no also. The bacon did not create any smoke. So this grill is completely smokeless. Time to flip the burgers. And check out those grill marks. Ah, I love it. And time to flip the bacon. Now is that time for you to like this video. That helps the channel a lot. And share with anyone you think will like this unboxing. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing and if I can improve on something, and I'll definitely will. That is very much appreciated. The bacon is ready, so I will be removing the bacon and placing into paper towels so they can dry it up a little bit. And I will be adding some onion rolls to my grill, and just to get a little, a little char on my bun. And here it is. Now cheesing up the burgers. And look at the buns, they're nice and grilled, and they were only on this grill for about 3 minutes. It was not that long at all. The burgers are ready, so I will be removing and placing on my bun. And here they are. Now I'm gonna put all the stuff on top, which is my bacon. I will also be adding my pickles and my husband's burger. He likes with ketchup and mustard. I like with ketchup and mayonnaise, so it's a little different here, but they're pretty much done. I'm just adding everything up. Now guys, I do have a question for you. I've been looking to buy an air fryer for about 6 months now, and I cannot for the life of me figure out which one I want, or one that it's good but it's not too much money. So if you can please share with me which one you have and which one you recommend for me to buy, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll appreciate that so much. And burgers are completely ready. Here they are, one with ketchup and mayonnaise, one with mustard and mayonnaise. So eat your burger the way you like. And I'm adding some French fries because, hey, what's wrong with that? And here we have it, our burger and fries. I think this came out super great. I love this indoor grill, and completely smokeless, as they said. I did not film the cleanup part, but as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. I just removed the water tray and I just cleaned that with some soap under some warm water. Same thing with the top. I cleaned it up the bars, and it was completely clean, and I put it away. And that is all for this electric indoor grill by Chefman Unbox. And my review now, it's a 5 out of 5 for me. I absolutely love how easy, fast, and so practical, because you can cook inside and not even worry about a thing. As always, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your love and support, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao!